This is going to be a short, quick little video. Got a new toy here. Picked up the tank and sprayer at an auction. I built my own boom for it. I'm going to have an 80-inch wide spray. I upgraded the pump. It's 4.5 gallons per minute at 60 psi. This is my first time filling it up. Wanted to see how it's going to do. I plan on using it on my front yard. This is my first time filling it up. Gonna try it out. Try to calibrate it. See how it does. Plan on using it on my front yard. I've reseeded my front yard a few times, just kind of half-assed, never did it the right way. I get between the tree and leaves and whatnot, this area right here doesn't do that great. So I'm gonna do it the right way this year. I'm gonna completely reseed the whole front yard, and I'm gonna use that sprayer out here. The permagreen's almost too big. The tank holds 12 gallons. This is 10,000 square feet, so I should hopefully be able to dial it in to use a full tank. I'll have just over a gallon per thousand then. But pretty much just want to get this dialed in so I can use it when I'm actually ready to. Looks like I can run about 50 psi with the 4 nozzles running. Gives a good spray pattern. So just want to try that out and see how it's going to work for me. Just over 40 with them running, 4 nozzles. Just over 50 with the regulator shut. All right, that worked out about perfect. I ran out of water right on my very last pass by the road. I didn't do a perimeter pass though, so I'm probably gonna have to dial my pressure down just a little bit so I have enough water in there to do a perimeter pass, because I know I kind of missed over at the other end where I was turning around. So right now I've got this set for 40 psi with this regulator. It'll run up to 50, but for me to dial it in for what I want, I think if I drop it just a couple pounds or so, I should be able to get the whole front yard with 12 gallons. It pushed really easy for being full. Granted, the yard is pretty flat, no bumps, no hills. But overall, I'm happy with it. Say the permagreen's a little bit too big for the area. If you guys want to follow along for the season, I'm going to overseed this with Barenbrug Dunes mix. It's a fine fescue. Should do good in the shade. I've yet to determine if I'm going to kill off the grass that's there or just seed over it. Wife is not going to be happy if I kill off the whole front yard, so might just have to seed into the existing grass. I got a few new toys over this spring. Got a dethatcher, power rake. I'll be using that in the seeding. I got an aerator. I'll probably use that also to roll the seed. But if you want to follow along, see how I do with the shade mix, it's going to get real mowed. I'll probably aim for about 3/4 of an inch on that. that's about all I got for this video. Say overall happy with this. That's about it. Thanks.